And welcome to another episode of Charleston Makeup Artist. Special guest narrator with the voiceover. Charleston Makeup Artist live-in boyfriend with a body built for speed, but unfortunately a face for radio. And gratuitous wave hello, and we begin this look with the Charleston Tilbury Magic Way Concealer. That's an eyeshadow primer for you new ones. And you want to put that on your, really everywhere around your eye, but on the bottom part there. And using an advanced technique here, using the middle finger, should you need to get a subliminal message across your middle finger there. Ring finger now, and tap that primer in, rub it in. Special effort to massage the folds around the eyes, increases circulation. Moving on now to the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which will be featured during this episode, using the color Base. That's my primer. And up there on the bones and the eyebrow hairs. And important to do both sides because doing one side would just be ridiculous. Now onto the eyeball. Changing gears now to the color Incense through the crease up there. Really pack it in. This is real speed. You newbies will not be able to go that fast, but it's good to have goals. Real fast, fast. There. And camera out of focus, but that's okay. Very, very rounded. Moving to the color Summer, not fall, summer, which I'm going to put ring finger again, subliminal message, center my lid, pat, and other side, of course. I want to do both eyes. Always do both eyes, unless you want to only do one eye. And tapping. Okay, now to the color Wild Child, again from the Anastasia palette. Wild Child there, Wild Child here, there. Notice and changing now to the color Drama. It's appropriate for a lot of you. Also, these are being installed with the Jeffree Star and Jaclyn Hill brushes. We like to call them Rump Ranger and Not Afraid to Toss the Diet Out the Window. In the corner, up there, massage it around. Again, always thinking of the circulation. Next, here, Celestial now. Under there. And right there. Only going to do one eye this time. I do that one eye. Oh, okay, changed my mind. Both eyes after all. And there. And she's really hitting it out of the park so far on these purples. Back in there with some of that colored stuff. And right there. Now, this is the Tom Ford refining pen in Steeper. And I'm going to put a dot there, yeah, and then pull it this way, connecting that, connect the dot champion of the second grade, she was, and there, you pull it across there, and you make a line, and then you kind of color it in some. Don't worry about that little fat dot out there. We're going to take care of that a little bit with some spit. And Yeah, across the top of there. See, this is where the massaging of the folds really pays off. Get a nice flat canvas and covering, yeah, right there. Still with the pen, still with the Tom Ford. Not sure if he's a rump ranger. We hear things. And close your eye. Yeah, because you don't want to put this on the whites of your eyes or the cornea pupil if you can help it. Unless that's your thing. If it is, good for you. And yeah, right there, back up there, there. We're only going to do one eye because, yeah, she's doing one eye only today, and there for contrast. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. She's refining the wing now with the spit-laden Q-tip. And there, see why she only does one eye? Really a dramatic effect, a lot like a pirate. Okay, after all, she's changed her mind, going with the flow. I'm going to get the wing on both eyes. Back to the right eye. She goes where she stops. You know the rest. Pulling it down in there. Going out of camera to, yeah. And now she's with the Love from the Anastasia palette. Yeah. She's going to put that on the inner corners, giving it the Love in the inner corners effect. Wait 1 minute. Now, okay, she's on to color Passion for the lash line. More Passion. Yeah, right there. I'm going to be careful not to smear your wing. And some more colored stuff up in here. And she's inadvertently caught a couple strands of her hair. Nice recovery. And now back to the Tata liquid canvas. She's going to apply this with all of her fingers. Those are fingers, and notice she leaves her thumbs off the canvas and uninvolved in this application. There, Tata all over. And now to the Chanticleer Future Skin Foundation, which is named after a chicken. And there, she's going to put those on with the ring finger and a brush. And important you go really fast on this. This is real-time speed. You want to get your neck. She's even getting some on the on the ears. And now to the Tom Ford Brow Perfecting Pencil in Espresso. And you really want to get in there and, yeah, we're going to draw some lashes on here because, yeah, they ain't what they used to be. So she's really making these look natural. And, of course, kind of buffing this in with her pinky finger because the other fingers are dirty from the other applications. And she's going to use the spoolie to comb through the brows here, up and sideways and up. Nope, sideways again. And yeah, she's really laying it on thick there. Okay, and she's going to use this crimping device to, she's not sure what she's doing, but she's moved on now to the Tarte Lash Primer in the color Closing Act. And yeah, there it is. And she's been called a Tarte a time or two. And again, real-time speed. And you really want the lashes to really be white. You want to cake this stuff on. And she's really laying it on thick. Now to the Lori Bituminous Mascara in Cobalt. Yeah, delicate on the bottoms. and trying to cover up all the white stuff that we put on a few minutes ago. It's really got a delicate touch here. Now to the Duo Lash Glue. Yeah, and you want to press the tip into the eyes there just like she's expertly demonstrated. Now she's on to the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. And down the middle of the nose, under the eyes. That was the Benefit 48-Hour Brow Settler. That's going to keep them in place, glued down all day and all night. Oh, out of the frame. Here she's back with the Buxom Wardenlust in the color Ibiza. And I'm going to use a MAC brush. She's putting on the cheekbone. Probably get her nose here in a bit too. Nope, more cheeks. And again, right cheek. No, okay, both cheeks this time. Well, she's really pulling it all together here. And whoa, that's really close. Okay, better, much better. And that's Layla in the background. She always has such a blank look on her face. Okay, and we're going back over to the left cheek now, trying for symmetry, of course. More middle finger. For those of you easily offended ones, it is what you think. Across the nose. Yeah, chin. And we're now to the Laura Mercy Ritual. Going to contour some nose. More contour. Yeah, nose kind of slid down a little bit. She's really bringing it back into good form though. Coming into the home stretch now. Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder with a Hakahomo brush. Putting this on the center of my face. The Hakahomos are really mighty fine brushes. Not everyone can afford them. Okay, yeah, there and there. She's real. Okay, now to the Laura Heller Diamond Dust with the paddle tail fan. And yeah, you want to wave it in there. You don't actually put any product on the brush. It's more of a waving and a, yeah. You more wave it around and make motions there. And you can see it's really paying off. Okay. And yeah, she's going back to the middle of the face, the T-zone she likes to call, and the slipping nose, tops of the Cupid's bow, some in the middle of the lips. Yeah, purse the lips. And that was the Christian Laubautin lipstick in the color Pirouette. And yeah, she's really laying it on thick there. Beautiful lips she has. Quite pillowy. And moving on now to the Patrick Tata lip gloss in the lip color Influencer. Center of the bottom lip. Oh, okay, and cut away. She's, no, she doesn't like that at all. Taking it all off and starting over with the Tom Ford. And this is in the color Latina Pink. And coming in to the end of the episode, end of the lesson, and closing both eyes. Again, the earlier massaging really, but wait, there's more. And she's now getting the pencil combo from Urban Decay in the color Psycho Sister, and the Makeup Geek pencil, and you want to stab that into the lash line, whites of your eyes, make it hurt. Some more, different color, and another different color, It's important to line the whites of your eyes and my favorite part of her episodes, the primp and pose portion. Look down, look straight ahead, smile. And, oh, those are white teeth. And the way you get those is with Brite. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Charleston Makeup Artist out.